Hello and welcome to my video. I had the idea of a poster with a pun on luxury and cherry. I recorded the whole designing process and invite you to accompany me on the way if you like to. So after a little brainstorming, I came up with luck cherry, lock cherry, look cherry, lick cherry, and a few more. So let's start with a cherry. First, I designed the outer shape. That took me a little while. I'll speed up the video. After the shape is done, I use multiple gradients for coloring and shading. That done, I save a copy for later. Now I'm up to add some details that I forgot. As a symbol for luck, I decided to add a 4-leaf clover. Likewise, I add radial gradients for the shading. And that's it for this part. Thank you for watching. I hope you check in again